When I opened up this crawl space door, I instantly smelled a cat urine smell. Has anyone ever noticed a strange ammonia smell in their crawl space? Certain vapor barriers off gas and ammonia smell that smells remarkably like cat urine. This type of vapor barrier is one of them. You got high wood moisture, you got mold, 80% humidity, 23% wood moisture, that's high. The HVAC system is condensating due to the humidity. This crawl space needs to be encapsulated with a dehumidifier, mold clean, and a vapor barrier that doesn't smell like cat pee.